So I just got one of these laser alignment tools, and I didn't know that this is actually pretty dang good. So I just got my S1000RR. This is the Carbon M Edition 2026. Super badass. Top of the line. And then after this would just be the M1000RR, which is like $45,000. I was like, I don't want to pay another $10,000. So I just got this one. Look at that, carbon wheels and all. But anyways, this right here is chain alignment tools, right? Pretty much tells you how straight your chain is when you're doing adjustments. If you ride, you know that you have to adjust your chain like around 500 miles or so, and then you lube it every, I don't know, I did it every 2. But anyways, you always have to play with these little adjusters. And they do have notches on there, so you can tell where the block is. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. And on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. See that? This is a brand new bike out of the dealership, so they do all this stuff when they PDR, pre-delivery inspection. Anyways, this right here clamps onto the sprocket. Let me show you how that's done. So you pop it on like this, and then you screw this red thing down. And now I'm just gonna turn on this laser. Okay. I bought this on Amazon because I saw it online. I didn't friggin' get recruited to do a video, but I thought this is pretty helpful for my motorcycle buddies. And if you're a rookie and you don't know how to adjust your chain properly, this will tell you a lot. So this bike just came out of a dealership, like I said. All right, so this is supposed to tell you how straight it is. So the laser right there, wherever that's at right there, it's supposed to stay the same all the way through. But look what happens when I rotate it up. I'm just rotating the tire, right? Look at that. It goes out. Let me go all the way over here so you'll see what I mean. See that? It goes to the outside of that chain. I know it's hard to see, but this is actually not aligned from the factory, because now when I roll this forward, you'll see that it's actually hitting right there. Isn't that crazy? What the heck, dude? Let me see if I could tap focus back there. That's freaking insane. So yeah, from the dealership, this isn't actually aligned. And yes, these blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 right there as well. So yeah, if you guys are new to motorcycles and you don't want to guess if your alignment's straight, you know, your chain, then just get one of these. I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link below, but pretty cool, man. I've done a lot of adjustments by eyeball and also with a caliper and all that stuff. And sometimes these things have, you know, variances. So it's never really straight unless you have something like this. You could also go by feel, but if it's not aligned, your bike will track somewhat weird. If you're doing a lot of wheelies and stuff and you land a lot, like hard a lot, you're gonna want one of these because it's a lot easier to adjust. Wheelie guys really tweak the frame, and this just helps. But that's crazy. Look, all the way out here. Look where it lands. See that? Okay, on the outside, over here, pretty close, but it's still off. And that little difference makes a huge difference in feel when you're going like 100 plus. So most bikes will use a 32 or 34. The S1000 uses a 34. So I've already pre-loosened this so I don't fight it on camera because that would be kind of silly. But now it's like super loose. This whole thing can move back and forth. So I'm just gonna crack these nuts, and this is what controls how much the axle gets pushed back or moved forward. See that? Nice and loose. That's what you want on both sides. So I'm just gonna crack this side right here. All right. Yeah. Nice. Make sure you don't scratch your brand new swing arm on your $35,000 bike, because that would suck. I've done that before and it's not fun. Here's how it looks fully adjusted. Check this out. All the way through. See that? It's just on the inside of that line. That's what you want to see. Regardless if the bike's new, always check. And if you take it back from the tech and you had it adjusted, just make sure you double check again. I mean, this tool is so simple for newbies. You can't really mess this up. Just make sure that you have your chain slacked properly. So on the back of this, or on the side, it says 45 to 50 millimeter of play on the middle of the chain. So just make sure you follow that. This freaking tool is pretty awesome. I wish I had this when I was a rookie, because I'm pretty sure I made a lot of mistakes back in the day adjusting chain.